In this video, I'll be talking about SQOOP, and there are many parameters which are really important when we go for the interview, especially whenever we are saying that it's a Hadoop profile, then SQOOP is really important, and there may be a lot of chances that they can ask the question based on the parameter of SQOOP. So here the scenario is that let's assume that you have 1000 tables and you are trying to move the data from MySQL database to the HDFS level or high tables directly. Now here the scenario is you have 1000 tables in the MySQL database and you want all the table except only one table. So in that case, what to do? It is not a good idea to write 999 times the import query. So better what we can do, we can just import all the tables. Along with that, you can use exclude parameters, which will help you to import all the 999 tables from MySQL database to the HDFS level. So we are going to see this thing in the practical way, how to use this exclude parameter in SQOOP. Okay, so I have a command handy with me, SQOOP import all tables. Whenever you need to use exclude, in that case you need to use import all tables. So we are saying that I'm going to import all the tables, which is using the JDBT connection, and this is the database name test. We are going to connect to the MySQL database by using the root user, and the password is Cloudera. Number of mapper we are using m equals to 1. By default, if you are not putting number of mapper, it will be 4. This is basically a warehouse directory which is having the parameter as a HDFS directory. So this HDFS directory will be created automatically, and in warehouse directory where all those file which is coming from MySQL will be stored to this HDFS location. So I'm just changing the name of this directory because we are using exclude parameter, exclude tables. So it will create exclude tables directory inside the user Cloudera, and this is exclude tables parameter I was talking about, where we need to provide the table name which is going to exclude from all tables. So I'm putting the company table which will be exclude. So let me show you. I'm just trying to connect to the MySQL database. Okay, here we have show tables. Here we have a test database. Inside the test database there are 3 tables. I'm going to import all those tables which are available inside the test database, but the condition is the company table should not be imported. All the tables will be imported excepting company. So how to do that? Just take this query and fire it in the session, and it will be creating a directory which is HDFS directory /user/Cloudera and exclude tables. So basically we have used import all tables, and there are 3 tables which are available inside the MySQL database in test database, but since we are using the exclude, it should not import company table. So let us see how it is going. Currently the job has been started, and we can see it has started the map reduce job, and after that we are going to cross check how it is going to use. Here you can see the number of splits, it is 1 because we have used the number of mapper as 1 only. If you want to use the number of mapper 2 or 3, there is a situation where the data should have a primary key, or you can use the split by clause also, where we need to provide the name of column which is going to split. And this is the Cloudera machine which is running here. Whenever the SQOOP job is running, it will not use a reducer, and this is the URL where we can drop track the details. So I'll just copy it and paste it in the new tab. Map reduce will take the time depend on the number of data. If the data is very high, definitely it will take the time. And again, it's also depend on the configuration which you are having for the system. Here you can see it is opening the map reduce application, and currently the status is running. It is using student.jar file. Since we have three tables, so three map reduce will be running, and reducer progress will be always 0 because we are not using number of reducers here. Here the state it is showing as succeed. The number of mappers for a particular job is 1. For student table it will be 1 mapper. For another table there will be a separate mapper. Okay, so here student.jar it is showing as completed. Now it will start for second mapper. Okay, so this is done. Here you can see retried one record for the last one, and we are going to cross check by going to this particular location, which is a warehouse directory. It is available inside the HFS, so we need to use hadoop fs-ls and the path. There should be two directories to be created because we have excluded company table and rest of the table should be available. So here you can see the student table is there, transaction table is there. If you just open this file hadoop fs-ls, you will find a part file where the actual data will be there. And it will be creating only one part file because we have used a number of mapper as 1. So this is the part file. I am just opening this file. By using the cat command. Okay, so here you can see the details and the data which is available inside the table. Okay, thank you.